Hello everyone, and welcome back to another absolutely interesting topic for your PTE preparation. I am Anurag, your PTE expert, and in this video we are going to talk about the biggest mistake, or you can say blunder, that many people make in their PTE preparation. And in the end, I will also discuss how you can avoid this blunder to do well in your exam. So stay tuned till the end. There is no surprise that PTE is an examination for testing your English skills. The name itself, Pearson Test of English. So this is an English test. But given the fact that PTE exam has 20 different types of tasks under speaking, writing, reading and listening, and the exam is evaluated by a software called as PTE CAT engine. Now since this is task based and marked by computer software, people have come up with various tricks and shortcuts to cheat the computer program in many ways and achieve the marks they need. And while doing this, people have totally forgotten that this is an English exam. I have personally seen so many people just trying to learn the tricks from various sources on the internet and work very little to actually improve their English grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation and spelling skills, just to name a few. I get so disappointed with people telling me they appeared for the PTE test 4 to 5 times using the tricks from the top PTE educators, but they are not getting the desired score. And I also read about a girl in Australia who appeared for the PTE test 17 times to get her desired score. Oh boy, absolute madness. I still want to appreciate the patience and persistence of that girl to try 17 times, but this is total waste of time and money. And at the same time, you take a lot of stress. So wake up guys, you need to stop thinking about PTE as a code you need to crack. And this is the biggest blunder people are making currently in their PTE preparation. You are forgetting that this is an English exam, so you definitely need to work on improving your basic English language skills. I am definitely not denying that the tips and tricks don't work. They do work, and we also provide them to our students. But apart from that, we also help our students to improve their overall writing, speaking, listening and reading skills. Let me give you an example. Imagine 2 scenarios of trying to cut a tree. In the first scenario, you sharpen the axe for quite some time and then go to cut the tree. As a result, you are cutting the tree successfully in a very less amount of time. In the second scenario, you don't sharpen your axe and just try to cut the tree using some tricks like cutting off the branches first or something else. So what will happen here? Since your blade is not sharpened, no matter how long you try to cut the tree, it will not fall down. I'm saying this from my experience. We have had a lot of students who are unable to get to their desired scores, and after analyzing their weaknesses in English language, we try to improve their basic English skills and guide them how to make less mistakes. I hope this simple information will help you in achieving your desired PTE scores. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.